Find the equation of the tangent to y equals 2e to the 3x at the point where x equals 0. So first of all, if x is equal to 0, then y would be equal to 2e to the 3 times 0, which is 0, which is 2. So we know that 0, 2 is a point on the tangent. Now we want the gradient. So we're going to differentiate. So dy dx is 3 comes down and multiplies the 2, so it's going to be 6e to the 3x. Now dy dx, given that x is equal to 0, is going to be 6e to the 0. 6 times 1 is 6. And so we now have the gradient. So if we say that y is equal to 6x plus a constant, and we know it goes through this point here, then 2 is equal to 0 plus c, which means that c is equal to 2. So y equals 6x plus 2 would be the tangent.